Hi friends, it's so nice to see you all back again. Hope you had a great time. So now, are you ready for the preparation? Today's special is a non-veg thoran. So come, let's make a prawn and cabbage thoran. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscription button below and the bell icon. It's from your subscription and thumbs up I get the motivation to do videos like this. Let's now check out the ingredients for this recipe. Urad dal or peanuts 1 tablespoon. Whole red chilli 2, garlic cloves 2, green chilli 1, mustard seeds half teaspoon, curry leaves few, coconut oil or vegetable oil 3 to 4 tablespoon, sliced shallots 4 to 6, cumin powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon as per your spice level, salt to taste, finely chopped cabbage 2 cups, crushed prawns 1 cup, grated coconut or desiccated coconut 1 cup, water 1 cup or more if required. First step is to crush a grated coconut with cumin powder, turmeric powder, garlic and green chilli. Coconut, cumin powder, turmeric powder, green chilli. I'm just chopping it. Garlic. Now let's crush it. After crushing, see how it looks. Let's transfer this to a bowl. Next step is to mix our crushed prawns along with our cabbage, our crushed coconut spice mixture, salt to taste, and mix well. It's better to mix with your hands. Make sure to mix it very well. It has been mixed well. Let's keep this aside. Now take a pan and let's heat oil. You can use either coconut oil or vegetable oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Let's wait till the oil is hot enough. Our oil is hot enough, so let's add in our mustard seeds. Wait till it splutters. Now let's drop in our urad dal or peanuts. Give it a good mix. It has started to change its color. This is the time to drop in our shallots. Along with our curry leaves and our red chilli. Give it a good mix. And wait till the color changes to light brown in color. Now it's time to drop in our mixed prawns and cabbage mixture along with water. Give it a good mix. and cover it up with a lid on a medium heat and bring to a boil. Let's see whether it's boiling. Wow, it's boiling. Mix well. The water is perfect. Put the lid back again and lower the flame. Stir in between. Our cabbage is almost cooked and the prawns too. Now let's drop in our pepper powder. As I said, add it as per your spice level. Give it a mix and wait till the water is fully gone. The water is fully absorbed. Now I'm just going to turn it off. And our prawn and cabbage thoran is now ready to plate. So here I am with our dish. It's very simple and very tasty. So please try this out, and if there is any doubt regarding this recipe, then use the comment section below. I shall try to answer it. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.